Hello there friends, experts, and those just embarking on the content creation journey. In this edition, I've unearthed a treasure trove of lesser-known AI tools for video editing that often go unnoticed, driving not only the success of my channel, but also serving as secret weapons for content creators globally. As your guide in this digital adventure, I'm excited to share the details. Today, we immerse ourselves in the extraordinary world of rare and truly impressive AI tools. These are the game changers that can effortlessly boost your earnings and inject a creative spark into your niches and channels. Ready to ride the AI wave with me? Let's explore these digital gems and take our content creation to new heights. Copison is a comprehensive tool designed to cater to the needs of content creators, companies, and marketing agencies looking to streamline and enhance their workflow. Its flexibility extends to different aspects of content creation such as blogs, social media platforms, online advertising campaigns, email marketing, and a range of other content formats.
A single writing assistant with artificial intelligence is a unique and powerful solution that works flawlessly in all applications and internet browsers. A special feature of such an assistant is its ability not only to write texts, but also to significantly improve, adapt, and develop them, making communication more effective and understandable. He is capable of deep understanding of the questions asked and forming detailed answers, as well as explaining complex concepts in simple language. In addition, the assistant can summarize large amounts of information, highlighting key points and translating texts between multiple languages, facilitating international communication and cooperation.
It is an innovative platform specifically designed to provide users with the ability to automatically create various kinds of texts, blog content, marketing texts, selling ads, and many other types of written content. A distinctive feature of this resource is its ability to analyze specified parameters and, based on them, generate unique, relevant, and high-quality text material adapted to the specific needs and goals of the user. Greetings, viewers. As we embark on another exploration into the fascinating world of top channel earnings in our signature segment, how much top channels earn and what niche they're in, remember that each AI tool for video editing highlighted earlier could be your secret weapon for crafting exceptional content. Now, let's uncover captivating facts and figures behind the incomes of top channels. Stay tuned for motivating success stories, keep your finger on the pulse, and let's go. YouTube automation is like trying to teach a robot to understand humor. It ends up saying, I'm 1 billion, 11 million, 10,101. These results are just outstanding. You should be proud. Oh, this is incredible. You've got some real talent for this. Tried creating content for education in artificial intelligence. Now Siri watches my videos and quizzes. impressive. Your success is truly well-deserved. Wow, I'm in awe. You've truly mastered the art of content. If a YouTube channel were a book, mine would be Harry Potter and the Algorithmic Stone. Respect for achieving such remarkable milestones. How to make money on neural networks. Just tell them, make me a millionaire and I promise not to use you for memes. Embrace change, dear friends. Let's collectively evolve and make our world a better place. Reflect on what truly brings joy to your heart and find your own unique path. Remember, each small act of kindness ripples through the fabric of society. Subscribing to the channel is a commitment to positive transformation. Show your support through likes and comments, contributing to the positive energy. If you prefer not to comment, share your thoughts. Don't miss out on the insights offered in these two captivating videos. Until we connect again for more positive vibes.